Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Are you looking for best devices? Don't worry, go through the video. Here you will find all the latest and the best devices of all time. Today we are making videos on best-selling espresso coffee machine of 2023. If you like the product and want to buy them, then go through the description box, where the links. Product 1. Product name: Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is a foldable smartphone produced by Samsung. It was announced in August 2021 and released shortly thereafter. Here are some key features and specifications of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Design and display. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 features a clamshell design with a foldable display. When folded, it has a compact and square shape that easily fits in your pocket. It has a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a resolution of 1080x2640 pixels. There's also a smaller external cover display for quick notifications and interactions. The device comes in various colors, allowing for personalization. Performance. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, which is a powerful chipset suitable for high-performance tasks and gaming. It features 8 GB of RAM and comes with either 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage. Camera. The Galaxy Z Flip 3, a 10-megapixel front-facing camera for selfies. Battery. It is equipped with a 3300 mAh battery that supports fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. Software. The phone runs on Samsung's One UI, which is based on Android. It offers various software features optimized for the foldable form factor. Foldable mechanism. The hinge mechanism has been improved for durability, and it can stay open at multiple angles, making it more versatile for different use cases. Water resistance. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 has an IPX8 rating for water resistance, which means it can withstand immersion in up to 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. Price. The pricing of the Galaxy Z Flip 3 varies depending on the region and storage configuration, but it is generally positioned as a premium device. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is part of Samsung's efforts to bring foldable smartphones to a broader audience by making them more durable. Product 2. Product name: Original Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. The original Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is a cutting-edge smartphone that continues the legacy of Samsung's Z Flip series, offering a unique folding design and powerful features. This device is designed to provide users with a compact yet feature-packed smartphone experience. One of the standout features of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is its innovative folding design. The phone features a flexible display that allows it to fold in half, making it highly portable and convenient for those who prefer a compact form factor. When folded, the device has a smaller footprint, easily fitting into pockets or bags and providing a novel way to interact with your phone. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is equipped with 5G connectivity, ensuring high-speed internet access for streaming, downloading, and online gaming. This is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon processor, which provides excellent performance for multitasking and demanding applications. The storage ensures smooth multitasking and efficient performance. The device features a 6.7-inch display when unfolded, offering a vibrant and immersive visual experience. It also includes a fingerprint sensor for enhanced security, making it easy to unlock your device securely. In summary, the original Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is a feature-rich smartphone that stands out for its unique folding design, 5G capabilities, powerful performance, and ample storage. This device caters to users who appreciate innovation. Product 3. Product name: 2023 Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The 2023 Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is the latest addition to Samsung's foldable smartphone lineup, building upon the success of its predecessors. This innovative device combines cutting-edge technology with a unique flip design, offering users a versatile and compact smartphone experience. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is its 5G connectivity, enabling lightning-fast data speeds and low latency. This makes it ideal for tasks such as streaming, online gaming, and video conferencing, where a stable and high-speed connection is crucial. The device boasts a foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X display, providing users with a stunning and immersive visual experience. The flexible display technology allows users to fold the phone in half, making it more compact and portable when not in use. This design also opens up new possibilities for multitasking and creative usage, such as using one half of the screen as a keyboard by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, delivering exceptional performance and energy efficiency. This processor ensures smooth multitasking, gaming, and overall system responsiveness, even for resource-intensive applications. Running on the latest Android 13 operating system with Samsung's custom UI, the device offers a user-friendly interface with a host of software features and optimizations. Users can expect a seamless and intuitive experience while navigating through their apps and content. In summary, the 2023 Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a foldable smartphone that combines futuristic design with cutting-edge technology. Its 5G connectivity, impressive display, powerful processor, and user-friendly software make it a compelling choice for those seeking innovation and versatility in their mobile devices. Samsung continues to push the boundaries of smartphone.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.